In section 3.3, we have the formula that in the table is the procedure for computing the data value corresponding to the given percent. And the other formula is procedure for computing the percent corresponding to the given data value. So in homework problem 33, we have problem G, H, and I. Problem G, what is the 14th percentile? 14th percentile is given the percent, and they're asking us to find the data value. So given the percent is this table, given the percent, and we need to find the data value. So we will use the formula in the first table. First of all, we need to arrange the data in increasing order, and we already did. Step number 2, let n be the number of values in the data set. In this problem, n is 35 and p be the percent. Then we need to compute the location. The location is percent over 100 multiplied by n. So we have 14%, so that is 14 over 100. So this is mean 14%. 14% of 35 number. 14% of 35 total number. Then we use the calculator to calculate this number, okay? So you do 14 divide 100 is equal to 0.14 and then multiply by 35. So the answer is 4.9. Now we go to step number 3. In step number 3 said that if the location is the whole or if the location is not a whole. So this 4.9 is not a whole. So we have this one. If the location is not a whole, we need to round it up to the next higher whole number. So the next one will be 5. So the location is 5. Location 1, location 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the value is 17. Similarly for problem H. So for problem H, step number 1, we need to arrange the data and we already have in the order. Now we find the location. 87%, that means 87 out of 100 of 35. So we multiply 35. 87 divided by 100 is 0.87 times 35 gives us 30.45. Now step number 3. Since the location is not the whole number, so we round up. That will be 31. The location is 31. Now we continue to count, or you can do like this. This is location 35 because we have 35 number. So location 34, location 33, location 32, location 31. So that will be 26. Problem I. One day, the commute time was 31 minutes. What percent is that? So it's give us the data value and we need to find the percent. We will look at the table here. It's given the data value and this is the procedure for us to compute the percent. So step number 1, we need to arrange the data. So we already have in the order. Step number 2, we let x be the data value whose percentile is to be computed. Use the following formula to compute the percent. So the percent equal 100. In the bottom is the total number, so that will be 35. On the top is the number of value less than the x. What is x in our problem is 31. So 31 is right here. So this is x. X is 31. And we want to find the number of value that less than x. So what are the number that less than x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 31 up to 26. 32 is the location of the value 31, and right here this is the location of that less than 31. So we count and we got location 31. So there are 31 number that less than the value 31. Okay, so there are yellow numbers 31. There are 31 yellow number and they are less than 31 value. So we put it in 31 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 because in the formula we have 0.5. So we have 31 plus 0.5 is 31.5 divide 35 is give us 0.9. So 100 times 0.9 and the answer is 90, and that is 90% because we are finding the percent. Round the result to the nearest whole number. Since the result is already the whole number, so then we leave the answer like this. So example, if you get your answer is 76.1, then you round to the nearest whole number, that will be 76. So I make this up. So for the percent, we always round, okay? Round to the nearest whole number. But the final answer for this problem is 90%.